Theta cryptographic money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks presently experience the ill effects of unfortunate dissemination in less evolved nations, expensive establishment, and a brought-together gadget. Moreover, Theta considers the current foundation caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin computer-generated experience, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC20 coin in view of Ethereum blockchain. Presently it deals with its own mainnet. Theta makes a distributed network that means to take care of these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as a motivator layer to keep up with the constant superior presentation of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with Changely who is behind this undertaking and what the digital money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. Theta value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $0.83, and Theta is buy and by position no. 47 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization is 1 billion Theta, with a market cap of $826,157,697. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 3 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 8.49%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 0.94%, adding a huge typical measure of 1 cent to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Theta organization value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta organization costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Theta organization will be $1.23. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.42. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.27. Theta value conjecture for January 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Theta organization toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of 86 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 78 cents and at 89 cents. Separately, February 2023, Theta organization value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Theta cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 85 cents, while the most extreme could reach 92 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around 89 cents. Theta value conjecture for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have checked the value variances of Theta organization in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Theta rate they foresee may be around 91 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 88 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 97 cents. April 2023. Theta organization value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the Theta cost will be exchanged at 95 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.01. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 92 cents in April 2023. Theta value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Theta organization costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 99 cents. The most reduced and top Theta rates may be 95 cents and $1.06. June 2023, Theta organization value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Theta cost will be around $1.02. In June 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least 98 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.11 in June 2023. Theta value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Theta organization costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.16 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $1.02. For July 2023, the anticipated normal of Theta organization is almost $1.06. August 2023, Theta organization value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.10. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Theta cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.07 and $1.20. Theta value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.10. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.25. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.14. October 2023, Theta Organization Value Figure. Digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Theta costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Theta Organization will be around $1.30, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.15. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1.18. Theta Value Gauge for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Theta Organization toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.22 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.18 and at $1.36 individually. December 2023, Theta Organization Value Conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Theta cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.23, while the greatest could reach $1.42 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta Organization may be around $1.27. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Theta Organization in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Theta Organization will be around $1.81. The greatest expected Theta cost might be around $2.15. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.86 in 2023. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Theta Organization, in 2024, Theta is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $2.65 and $3.09 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.72. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Theta Organization and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Theta cost could drop to $3.77, while its most extreme can reach $4.64. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3.88. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Theta Organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Theta costs are normal in 2026, $6.65 and $5.33. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $5.53. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Theta Organization. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Theta cost will be around $7.80. It could drop to at least $7.58, yet it actually could reach $9.44 all through 2027.